potato tomato rice casserole or cumin potato tomato rice bowl. One of the tastiest of the rice bowl recipes and one of the most unique of the cumin seed recipes and one of the most different of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the rice bowl recipes and one of the most delicious of the cumin rice recipes. We are going to make cumin potato tomato rice casserole. We've taken around 100 grams of potato and 100 grams of tomato, that is around 2 medium-sized tomatoes or 3 small tomatoes cut into pieces. 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Garlic. You can Saute. Garlic sauce mix. Put in the garlic seeds. Sauce the garlic seeds. Now put in the ginger. Put in salt to taste, salt, salt thoroughly. Keep on salting. Thoroughly saute this. Two spoons of cumin seeds, salt, salt thoroughly. Put in the tomato paste, salt thoroughly. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder, salt and mix. Put in a spoon of chili powder, put in salt to taste, mix. Put in the potato pieces, salt thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Salt and mix thoroughly. Put in a little bit more of salt. Thoroughly mix. Cups of water. Mix. And let the mixture boil. A cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook for 30 minutes in the casserole. Put in curry leaves as garnish. Now the cumin, potato, tomato, rice casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final cumin, potato, tomato, rice casserole, one of the tastiest of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato recipes and one of the most unique of the potato casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cumin seed recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.